A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe with your family. Students, in today's lesson, that is subject English, we will be learning a new lesson, that is 3.5, and name of the lesson is News Analysis. The lesson News analysis is a collection of news items taken from newspapers. It deals with a variety of topics ranging from academics and entertainment to environment and crime. It helps us compare and analyze news articles besides making us aware about confirming the authenticity of the news before believing it. So the first article which we will be reading right now is Closed Shoes Not Allowed in Examination Halls. Bengaluru. Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru, has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for candidates taking the entrance test to the prestigious institute this year. So, what is the meaning of this para? What is the name of the institute, students? It is Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology. So they had recently issued means what? They have distributed. What they have issued? They have issued a list of do's and don'ts. List of do's and don'ts, students, means what we have to keep in our mind. Okay, students, that these all things are necessary and these all things are not necessary. For candidates. Candidates means what, student? It means a person who applies for something. Okay, students, so what all list is there of do's and don'ts that are mostly meant for candidates, the one who is giving this exam, taking the entrance test to the prestigious institute this year. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. So what is the instruction, student? That the candidates who will be coming to give this particular exam and in this examination hall, they will not be allowed to wear closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside include mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculator, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank papers, and even pens. The pens will be provided in the hall by invigilators. Invigilators means what, student? It means people who watch candidates taking an exam. Okay, students? So here what has been told, that candidates who will be coming to give in this particular institute for exam, they are not allowed to enter wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks, and they are also not supposed to carry with them mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank papers, and even pens. Pens will be provided in the hall by invigilators. So this is what the article which is being issued. Okay, student? Now, so why is closed footwear not allowed in examination hall? Closed footwear is not allowed to prevent the candidates from cheating in the exam. And why has the institute not allowed electronic gadgets, students, in the hall? So that electronic gadgets such as mobile phones have not been allowed in the hall as they may disturb others and may be a nuisance. Mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, and calculators may also be used for cheating in the exam. So why is this news published in newspaper? This news is published in newspaper to make the readers aware of the steps some educational institutes are taking to prevent malpractices during exams. It also prepares the candidates taking the exam by issuing a do's and don'ts list beforehand. So here we have done with our first news article, that is closed shoes not allowed in examination hall. Moving to our next one. The next article is, students, Ritika takes a break from acting. Mumbai, September 9. Famous actress Ritika, who is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood, is all set to break the hearts of her fans. So we hear about which actress it has been written. It has been written about famous actress Ritika, and it is written that she is the most highly paid star in Bollywood. So highly paid star, student, means what? Someone who is paid the highest amount of salary. Okay, in an informal chat. Informal chat means what, student? It could be unofficial. Okay, students. So in an informal chat with journalists, she revealed that. Revealed means what, student? It means to make something known to others. Okay, students, it means that to make something known to others. So, in an informal chat with journalists, she revealed that she will not sign any more films after completing the big budget movie and next month. So what she has revealed to journalists, that after finishing this movie, that is End, which is a very big budget movie, she will not be signing any other films. She refused to give any reasons for her decisions. Why she has taken such decision that she will not be signing any other movie, that she didn't give any of the reason. However, sources close to her reveal that now she wants to make a career in politics. So after that, what happened? However, sources close to her, so some nearby people, okay, who are very close to her, they have told that she want to make a career in politics. That is the reason she will not be signing any more films. So this is the article, students, about Ritika takes a break from acting. What will be Ritika's reaction to this news? Ritika will be surprised to read this news, as there may be no truth in it. Can you think, students, of other reasons for Ritika's decisions? Ritika must be wanting to start her own production house or try her hands at directing films. So here, students, we completed with the second news analysis. I hope, students, it must be clear to you all. We have gone through two different news articles. The first one was closed shoes not allowed in examination hall, and second news article was Ritika takes a break from acting. I hope, students, you all must have enjoyed this video. Doubts must be cleared with you all. If still any doubt is there, I request you all to again watch the video and get clear your doubts. Till the time, stay safe and thank you so much. A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe with your family. Students, today in English, we will be continuing with our same lesson, that is lesson number 3.5, and name of the lesson is News Analysis. The lesson News Analysis is a collection of news items taken from newspapers. It deals with a variety of topics ranging from academics and entertainment to environment and crime. It helps us compare and analyze news articles besides making us aware about confirming the authenticity of the news before believing it. Students, in our last video, we have gone through two different newspapers articles. The first one was Closed Shoes Not Allowed in Examination Halls, and another one was, that is B1, Ritika Takes a Break from Acting. Today we will be continuing with the same, that is C1, and the name of the article is Most Dangerous Time in History. London. The famous physics professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. Mankind means what, students? Mankind means human race. So what famous physics professor is saying? He is saying that he has warned that mankind is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. What is the name of the physics professor? His name is Stephen Hawking. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic disease. So what problem the world is facing nowadays? Three problems they are facing, that is climate change, overpopulation and epidemic diseases. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live and have not yet developed the ability to escape it. Perhaps in a few hundred years from now, we will have built colonies amid the stars. Amid means what, students? It means in the middle of. Okay? Amid the stars, but right now we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Okay, students, what he's saying further? He's saying further that we only have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live, and we have still not developed the ability to escape it. In few hundred years from now, we will have built colonies in the middle of the stars, but right now we only have one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper. Okay, students, so this is what the article which is being given. Which words or phrases in the news refer to the earth? The word planet and world in the news refer to the earth. Professor Hawking wrote about the problem in the Guardian. Why is it given as news in other papers? Although Professor Hawking wrote about the news in the Guardian, it is given as news in other newspaper to create awareness about the gravity of the situation and need to take urgent constructive steps to protect our planet from further degradation by mending our ways. As the problem in discussion concerns the whole world, putting it in other papers will only do good to resolve the issue. So here student, here we have done with article C, that is most dangerous time in history. Now we will be moving to the fourth one, that is D part. Moving to our next article, that is quick cure for all ailments. Staff reporter Kawate. Hundreds of people flock every hour to Ralewadi, a tiny settlement near Ambegaon. Flock means what, students? Together. Okay, students, settlement means a village. So what hundreds of people are doing? They flock every hour to which place? To Ralewadi, which is near Ambegaon. And what they do there? They wait in long winding queues in the hot sun to get a special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sorts of diseases. So after reaching that particular place, people wait in long winding queues in the hot sun so that they can get special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sort of diseases. According to him, he has developed this powder from a special herb in Himalayas. So what Miri Baba is saying, that he has developed this powder from a special herb in Himalayas. Unwilling to give the exact name and source of the herb, he only says that it was revealed to him. He is unable to give the exact name of the herb and is not ready to give the source of the herb, but only he is saying that it was been revealed to him. He offers it at rupees 25 a packet. Each packet costs rupees 25 and each packet is specially blessed by him. Some of his followers means what, students? People following someone whom they believe in. So some of his followers claim that they have seen him curing thousands of people with his powder. So some are the followers of Miri Baba. What are they claiming? They are claiming that they have seen him curing thousands of people with his powder. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital says that number of patients in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. So here one information we get about Miri Baba and his special powder, and another information which we are getting from this article is about Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon. What he is saying? He is saying that number of patients in their hospital has been increased in the last few weeks. Okay, students, now see. Why is there a question mark in the heading? See, if you will read the heading one more time, it is given as quick cure for all ailments. So after ailments there is a question mark. So why there is question mark in the heading? There is question mark in the heading as the article leaves it on us to decide or find out the truth about Miri Baba's powder. The question mark indicates that it is not certain whether the powder has power to cure ailments. Next, which part of the news is reliable? Reliable means what, students? To whom we can trust. Which part may not be reliable? How do we learn that? The doctor's statement that number of patients has increased is a reliable one. Whereas the part where Miri Baba's followers claim that the powder cures ailments is unreliable. This is so because the doctor may have authentic and written record of what he says, whereas Miri Baba's followers may be saying it out of blind faith and there is no reliable source to verify their statements. Will Miri Baba and his followers like the news? Miri Baba and his followers will obviously not like the news. What should we do when we fall ill? When we fall ill, definitely we should visit a doctor. So students, here we complete with our this lesson, that is news articles, in which we have seen 4 different news articles. The first one was closed shoes not allowed in examination hall. Then Ritika takes a break from acting. Third article was most dangerous time in history. and last one was quick cure for all ailments. So I request you all, I hope students you all must have enjoyed this video. I request you all to again watch the video and just clear your doubts. So we have learned from this lesson, students, that we sometimes the news are reliable, sometimes it is unreliable. So after reading the news article, we have to think whether there is truth in that article or not. I hope students, everyone must have understood this lesson. Thank you so much and stay safe.